Yeah, now we are opposing this scheme of the co-op board for the various reasons. One, why these two sets of rules? For 10th standard, there is no ATKT. So why ATKT for 9th and 11th? There should be the same set of rules for both 10th and 12th as well as for 9th and 11th also. Secondly, we feel that what is the use of giving them this ATKT? Will the students of 9th standard and 11th standard be in the mood of studies when they are 100% sure whether they study or no study, they will be going to the 10th standard. Thirdly, today students cannot pass in 2 subjects. Will they be able to pass in 4 or 5 subjects? Next, all the students, whether they pass or fail, they will go to the 10th standard. Now in the 10th standard, there will be 2 sets of students now. One who have passed on their own, second who those who are pushed. So what will be the standard of the 10th standard? It will be a misery for the teachers, how they can teach 2 constructing set of students. One who wants to study and second who don't want to study. Indiscipline in both the classes, 9th as well as 10th will be more. Bodakami, we are going to meet tomorrow as the appointment is given, and we'll put all our case before him opposing the move, because all the headmasters are against this move because it is not in the interest of the students. Because on the contrary, students will be neglect the studies.